Stupid scammers! I hate scammers. Well, the moral of this episode is don't be an idiot. And if you do, win. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Why me? I can't believe I did something so stupid. I thought I was ordering something cool, but this is all I got. Stupid. No, not good enough. I'm gonna get him back. I'm gonna pay him back. It's not over. Just wait. Scammers. Have you ever felt like that? You know? So, a month or two ago, I was scrolling through Facebook. My first mistake. I don't even like Facebook. But, you know, cool groups on there for RC stuff, things like that. Of course, something pops up and says, hey, we got this awesome Losi 10 scale Rock Rey for sale for like 80 bucks. So I'm like, this can't be true. Too good to be true. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it anyway. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So paid with PayPal, because I know they have insurance through there. And I went. So, you know, I went through the process and I ordered it and I waited and I waited and I waited. And I finally got confirmation of something shipping and it said it was like less than a pound. I was like, yep, I got scammed. No way. I ordered two, by the way. I ordered two because, you know, myself and Jimmy. So I ordered two and I got one. And this is it, a 1/32 scale piece of junk. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's a piece of junk. So, you know what? I got mad. What did I do? First, I wrote a pretty nasty email to the people. To this stupid train. It happens every single time. I hate that dumb train. Same time. Always interrupts our videos. Anyway, so, gosh, where was I? Oh, yes. So, I wrote a nasty email to the sellers. Nothing. By the way, the website was still up. So, you know, I go straight to PayPal, filed a complaint. Said, you know, I want my money back. I got scammed. This is what I ordered. Gave them the web pages, gave them my orders, gave them everything that I had. Pictures. I wasn't going to get totally scammed. So they wrote back. It says, you need to go and file a police report. So I did that as well. And there's an online like federal agency that takes internet complaints, which was awesome, by the way. It was super easy. And so I did that. I went through that process. I got my police report or agency report or whatever it is. I don't even know what it's called. Uploaded that. And a couple days later, you know, a week later or so, I was waiting for the seller to reply. I don't know if they ever replied or not. So this is all taking place over like a month. It took forever. And then PayPal gave me my money back. 100%, shipping and everything. I don't know what they did with the seller, but you know what? They didn't ask for this back. I still have it, and I am not shipping it back because they scammed me. I can't go any farther. I can't tell you anything else until you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead. I'll wait. Go ahead. Cool. Thanks. Appreciate that. Let's get on with the video. We're going to open it here in a minute and check it out. But, you know, the moral of the story here is, like I mentioned, don't be an idiot. Scammers suck. Make sure you're smart about what you're doing. I was a little leery, but I wanted to try it out. You know, you never know. No, actually, you do know. It's not going to happen. But I wanted to prove a point. Just don't do it. I mean, there's scammers everywhere. Get scammed so easy. People are like so gullible, which I 100% knew this was a scam, but I wanted to prove a point. I wanted to make this video for you guys to show you that this is wrong. Guess what? Their website is gone. It is done. So they try. I wonder how many people actually scammed and they didn't get their money back because they weren't guaranteed like PayPal. You know, I don't know. I bet they made a lot of money off of that and they got scammed. It's ridiculous. I can't believe that I would, you know, 156 bucks or something like that I paid and I got refunded, but I got this little piece of junk instead. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. Let's try it out. Let's check this out. You know, it would be kind of cool if it looked like the Tesla truck, which I don't even know if it's going to. Instructions in Chinese. Oh, wait a minute. Actually does have English. Oh, we got some we got some cones and like barrels to drive through. We got this little charger. This is a charger. Oh. Got a little screw driver, a little screw. Oh, this must go on the top of the remote control. And we have a charger. The controller is bigger than it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. There we go. Low speed, high speed. Wow, that is cheap. So cheap. Maybe it is cheap, but you know what? We're gonna make the most of it. I'm going to charge this thing up, put batteries in the remote control, and let's see how bad this is. Okay, while this thing is charging, make sure you hit that like button. If you ever had anything happen like this to you, if you hate scammers, you have to hit that like button because we want to get the word out. The more likes we get, the more that YouTube shares this video with other people. So hit that like button. Let's get this video to 200 likes. How crazy would that be? Let's get to 200 likes. Let's share this. Let's get this video out there for people to see and to show them that scamming is wrong and it's happening all over the place. I know other people are being scammed as well. So hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. You know, we're so thankful for our YouTube family, our community. So thank you and keep at it. And if you had something like this happen to you, throw it down in the comments. We want to hear from you. We want to hear what happened to you, how you got scammed. So throw it down in the comments. Let's get back to the video. All right, we got the batteries in the remote control turned on. We have, oh, it lights up. You can't see that, but it lights up. Can you see the light under there? Wow. That's worth it. So, let's see. We got it on oh. Well, the turning on this controller sucks. There went a barrel. This is barrels of fun. Oh, two-wheel drive. Wow, it's actually pretty speedy. Dang! That thing is pretty speedy. All right, let's go low speed. Well, that's more of a crawler speed. Something you give to like a 4-year-old maybe. Well, definitely not worth definitely not worth 80 bucks or 70. Oh shoot, 70 some bucks. You know, maybe it's not so much fun. Not worth it. I don't want to pay that much money for this, but you know what? Well, we're gonna get our money's worth out of it. Free, you know, after all the hassle. I spent a lot of time with all this crap, but we got some stuff planned for this sucker. No, we're not gonna let it end here. This is just the beginning. This thing is gonna go through torture. We are gonna have some fun. All I'm gonna say is it's gonna go fast. I'm not going to say how it's going to go fast, what's going to make it go fast, but it's going to go fast. So stay tuned for one of the next videos where we do that. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope we all learned a lesson here. Just don't buy crap like that. It's just not worth it. The hassle is not worth it. I don't want that. But you know what? We're going to make use of it. We're going to do some stuff and it's going to be fun. But that's not going to be fun. What we're going to do to it's going to be fun. With that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you drop it a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop things like this. And 98% of the people watching these videos are subscribed. Hit that notification bell. With that said, God bless you. God bless America. Be empowered. Out.